Here's a little demo video of our desktop time tracker. So when I come to a task or a ticket, you'll see that the recording function or the time tracking function is disabled. So I'm demonstrating it here on a task. The same applies to tickets too. So it's asking me to open up the desktop time tracker, which can be installed in the normal way. Within a second or two, a little green pop-up comes on the right just to say that it's detected the desktop time tracker. Now, from the desktop time tracker or the actual task itself, I can now start the time. So if I go on this time, I can now start that time tracker. So it's sent the command to the desktop application. And if I just show you the desktop application, you can see it's now tracking time to that task. I can add a note if I want to the time entry. I can pause it and I can stop it. And if I want to, one of my favorite features, if it's a task that I frequently do, this is a bad example, I can add it to my favorites at the bottom. So you can add a few rows of favorites for tasks that you do quite frequently to be able to start those time. There is a compact mode, which I quite like. So this desktop one is designed to be anywhere on your PC, like a third monitor kind of setup if you have one. But there is also a compact mode here, which makes it really small and it keeps it on top of whatever you're doing. So I could place it down here maybe, and then I can work in this monitor and do whatever it is I want to do. In the front of it, and meanwhile it stays down here out of the way. So it's a nice interface. If I just stop the timer there, and then maybe just give you an example, if I just get rid of that and go to a ticket as well. Let's use this one. You'll see I've also got a start time button up here as well. Just another little note as well, let me get rid of this. In the top right, no matter where you are on the system, there is a quick access widget so you can see your timer, and again you could stop the timer from there as well if you wanted to. Timesheets are automatically processed at the end of the month and collated as well. There are a couple of extra features. So for instance, on a ticket you can actually assign the ticket to a project. So I think I've deleted the test project now, sadly. Let's just assign this ticket to there's no project at all for that customer now. But you can assign a ticket to a project, and the time is then allocated to that project as well. You will notice, and this is part of a different module, but if the ticket is a customer that has a support package, it will flag up here and you can tick the box to say that it's covered by that, and it will eat into this time here that's allocated for the support package, but I'll do a separate video on that. Finally, for admin users, there is a reports. In the report section, there's one called Timesheet Overview. You can see what people are clocked to at that particular time. You will be able to see sort of activity percentages. This is in beta at the moment, and you will be able to see screenshots from their monitors as well. So it's work in progress, but that's a cool feature to come in the future. In the future, they may even be shared with customers.